In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. One-handed mode is especially helpful if you are in a hurry and need to use your Samsung fast with only one hand available. I tested it before on this and many other Samsung devices and it's one of my favorite features. To enable it, go into Settings, scroll and hit Advanced Features over here. Now tap on one-handed mode on the left and use gray switcher at the top to activate it. Now you need to tap on one of those options to decide if you want to reduce display size with gesture or button. In my case, button, that's my favorite option. Now follow all of the instructions below your chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, you can either change side of it, by tapping on this icon on the left or on the right, or move it completely by holding this line at the top and dragging it. When you're done, to exit one-handed mode, click on blurry area. And to disable it completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!